Historic $25 million verdict secured by Herman law firm for abuse survivor in Bay Shore School District case. New York, November 15, 2024. Herman law firm has secured a historic $25 million verdict for a former Bay Shore Union Free School District student who suffered sexual abuse by his third-grade teacher. This landmark award, the largest to date for a Long Island student against a school district under New York's Child Victims Act, was issued by a Suffolk County jury after evidence showed that district officials had repeatedly received warnings about the teacher's conduct but failed to take action. Herman Law achieves key ruling in child sexual abuse cases against the Roman Catholic Diocese of Brooklyn. Judge orders diocese to disclose unredacted records allegedly documenting knowledge of former priest's abuse history. New York, November 15, 2024. Herman Law has achieved a significant legal milestone in ongoing lawsuits against the Roman Catholic Diocese of Brooklyn. Since 2019, Herman Law has represented multiple survivors in cases that allege Father Romano Ferraro, a former priest within the diocese, committed repeated acts of sexual abuse against minors. Throughout these proceedings, the Diocese of Brooklyn has resisted releasing complete, unredacted documentation regarding their employment of Father Ferraro and their awareness of his alleged history of abuse. The limited records provided by the diocese have been heavily redacted, prompting extensive legal challenges by Herman Law to gain access to the full scope of information. In a pivotal development, the Honorable Judge Krause recently ruled in favor of Herman Law, ordering the Diocese of Brooklyn to produce the complete, unredacted files by November 18, 2024. This order goes beyond similar previous rulings by including an automatic sanction. If the diocese fails to comply, the court will strike their answers, conclusively establishing their liability and barring any defenses that could limit or dismiss the survivor's claims. Typically, defendants might appeal these motions to avoid disclosure and delay the case further, but this unique order compels the diocese to either comply or face immediate and decisive consequences, making appeals difficult. We are pleased with Judge Krause's ruling, as it brings our clients one step closer to justice, said Jeff Herman, CEO of Herman Law Firm. The release of these documents will allow us to fully expose the diocese's knowledge and actions, or lack thereof, in response to prior allegations against Father Ferraro. This ruling marks a crucial step in holding institutions accountable and ensuring transparency in cases involving child sexual abuse. Herman Law remains committed to pursuing justice for the survivors and shedding light on these systemic issues. Herman Law is representing survivors of Jehovah's Witnesses in 4 active, New York Child Victims Act cases. How to find this information?